Hi, welcome to our AI Development Workshop proposal. Firstly is Mr. Zakwan. He will be the lead organizer for this project. He is responsible for managing all members throughout the activity. His role is also very important in making sure that the flow of activities will run smoothly. Next is Mr. Azri. He will act as the assistant lead organizer and the secretary for this project. After that, I will introduce to you Mr. Han. He manages the logistics of the whole program. His work is to ensure that all equipments are prepared perfectly. Next, I will introduce to you Mr. Ayman Siamir. He handles the Treasury Department and his work ensure all the spendings are correspondent to the approved budgets. Lastly is Mr. Wang. He handles the activities and contents, making sure that all activities aligns with the objectives of this program. With that being said, we will move on to the next section. Based on a few surveys done, we have identified a few skills that UTM students are lacking from. The main problem that we have identified is that not many students are exposed to current advancements of AI applications. Because of that, they lack the ability to generate commercial ideas that incorporates AI in businesses. Next problem that current students face is that they have a hard time working in groups. With this program, we will include teamworking activities to help develop this skill. Another problem is that students have difficulties in thinking critically when time given to complete a task is limited. For that, there will be activities to help students in problem-solving methods. By understanding the problems mentioned just now, these skills can be tackled with a few methods. Firstly, participants will be given tasks to complete a simple, practical AI project. This will elevate the enterprising skills in students. After that, the participants will be divided into 3 groups. During this activity, participants will learn on how to be an active listener while listening to ideas from teammates. This will improve communication skills between students. Lastly, the participants will have problem-solving exercises on writing codes for AI applications. This activity relates to enhancing the critical thinking abilities. A one-day workshop on artificial intelligence fundamentals, development and applications. The workshop features lectures covering AI in general, machine learning and deep learning, and ends with AI group project. The workshop will be held at MGIT Level 8 Classroom and Cairo Laboratory starting from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. The goal of this workshop is to provide a comprehensive understanding of artificial intelligence, AI, for its participants. The objectives of this workshop are to teach the fundamentals of AI, including an overview of the field and its history, as well as the underlying concepts and technologies. Additionally, the workshop aims to teach the development of AI, including the different techniques and algorithms used in the field, such as machine learning and deep learning. Lastly, the workshop will focus on the application of AI in various industries, highlighting the current and potential uses of AI in various sectors such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Through the combination of lectures, group projects, and other interactive activities, the workshop will provide participants with a solid foundation in AI and prepare them for the future challenges and opportunities in the field. We were able to invite 2 prominent guest lecturers who are expertise in their field. Dr. Ibrahim obtained his PhD in machine learning, while Dr. Zul obtained his PhD in mechatronics engineering. The first session will start at 8:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. and will be presented by Dr. Ibrahim. During this session, he will explain more on the theoretical part and the significances of AI. The second session will start from 2 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. This session will be presented by Dr. Zul, where participants will be involved in hands-on activities such as programming in groups. This workshop is suitable for professionals from any background who are interested in learning about AI development and its applications, and also suitable for all UTM students in Kuala Lumpur or Johor Bahru. This is the budget breakdown for this project. For food and beverages, we will spend around 820 ringgit for breakfast and lunch. As for activities, a total of 1,480 ringgit, which includes 120 ringgit will be spent on printing, 1,200 on prizes and 160 ringgit for tokens. Another 1,400 ringgit will be used for allowance and contingency, so the total fund needed will be 3,700 ringgit. To monitor and evaluate participants during an AI development workshop, you can use a combination of methods such as observation, surveys, quizzes and assessments, group discussions, and code reviews. These methods will allow you to gauge the participants' engagement and understanding of the material covered in the workshop. Upon completion of the workshop, you can evaluate participants by reviewing their final projects or assignments, checking their quiz or test scores, conducting follow-up surveys to see if they have been able to apply what they learned, and checking their participation in future workshops or events related to AI development. It is important to use a variety of evaluation methods to get a well-rounded assessment of the participants' understanding and engagement during the workshop. To conclude this video, we want to align the objectives of this program to reflect the graduate attributes with skills learned by students throughout this program. We hope that after completing the workshop, students will apply and embrace what they have learned into their studies and even in their future lifestyle.